I'm Shanna with WTI.
These vintage coffee mugs from the brand LANDNEOO are my new favorite thing in my kitchen. I love that it can not only be used like a regular coffee mug to make your coffee in, but I like that it can be used for other things as well. I really like to make my snacks in there, or also my new favorite thing is to make my overnight oats in them. It is possible because it comes with the two bamboo lids that make it easy to store in the fridge to have a snack later on or even breakfast. Not only the bamboo lids it comes with, but it also comes with these two gold spoons, which are so pretty. It also comes in the two different designs, the raindrop design and the other is the sunflower design. And not only are they really beautiful to look at, but they're also really easy to store as they are stackable. So they don't take up much space, which is super important.
So if you like your mugs to not only be very pretty, but also really versatile, then you will love these. But that's just my point of view.